Hey, what's up, YouTube? We back for another group ride, baby. Going for round 2 on Highway 44. See if we can make it a little better than the first run. Highway 44 in the dark. Yeah, it's dark as shit. Yeah, I'm glad we put these jackets on. It's getting cold back here. Breaking up like a mug. Still can't hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, what about now? Yeah, I turned the sound down. I wonder where this fool's at back there. He must be taking his sweet time. We gotta stop doing this with boosters. Hey, when you wanna pass this dude? There we go, little twisties. This truck was gone. It's about to get real twisty up here. We need to get around this fool somehow. Let's pull over and let him go somewhere. We ain't better get around him. Try to pull over somewhere and wait. Man, this is all the good action. Hey, we pulled over up here at the church. Yeah, we pulled over. We waiting on you. We pulled over. All right. He's coming. Nah. Go ahead, go. We here pressing. We hit the gas station, clean our shit off, then hit the highway. Nigga, this bike is hot. God damn. No, this goddamn light need to change. Shit, I can feel the sweat dripping on my chin. I'm telling you. When we get to the city, I'm taking this shit off. Hell yeah. Alright. Killers. I'm so hot. Alright. Fuck it. Come on, let's get up here in the front. Yeah. Come on, man. Don't be a hater. keep making us lose people. You did the same shit and we lost William last time. You make us lose people. Oh, there goes cops. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You better get your ass over. Cause these cops. On your left. Every man for himself. And hit the gas and go. You an asshole, dog. You an asshole for real. Is he behind us? He caught up. Fuck y'all, y'all ain't losing me. Yeah, up at the cop right up here. He could be on the other side. He said it's somewhere around here. That's police. Nope. Nope, it wasn't no police. I just told it no. The Waze app, W-A-Z-E, that motherfucking app's dope. It's like 3,000 or 4,000 people that's using it in Louisville right now. Mapping out Louisville. She pregnant? Ah, man, you got to be kidding me. Ah, man, that's his wife. Hey. Hey, that little expressway run was, hey, that shit was crazy, dog. Yeah. Yeah, I do too, normally. Motherfucking Dick's behind us. I got you. I see him. There go another cop. Cops everywhere. They down here, boy. If somebody's racing, they ain't gonna get away with it long. I need to start marking these motherfucking cops on this app. They ain't nowhere to be found on this motherfucker, but they on the move. It's hard to track a cop on the move.
Man, this was some awesome footage. Unfortunately, the audio did not record, so had to throw some music on it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the vlog tonight. Hey, as always, you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys keep doing what y'all do. Y'all be easy and safe riding.